Most businesses are ignoring the fact, believe it or not, but they're ignoring the fact that they have to collect their database. But database is the most important assets. And you cannot rely on just on social media. You need to collect emails and phone address of your customers. So you can do so much with it, but many business owners, for some reason, ignoring it. And I always highly recommend to keep your database aside from all the social media, because you don't know, tomorrow maybe your social media can be banned. So you have to protect yourself, and you don't keep all eggs in one basket. And in this video, I am going to show you how you import all the database inside of the platform, and you can run reactivation campaign. What is reactivation campaign? Reactivation campaign is the easiest way to get your customers. You probably already have a list of existing customers who visited you in the past. However, they probably don't remember you right now because you haven't talked to them for some time. So what you do, you keep all your customer base in Excel file. You convert that Excel file into CSV format, and you can import all the database into the platform. All you need to do is sign up to the platform, import database inside, and you can send them emails and SMS, and you can remind them about your services. You can send them promotions, or you can update them about new products or new services. And it's really cool to catch up with your customers, because the customers from the past is the most easiest customers. So watch this video tutorial how to import database into the platform and start sending campaigns to your customers.